All right, today we're going to talk about Allegro Library's download, and we're going to import the schematic footprint and 3D model into the board file and the schematic. So the files that we're going to need is the OLB file, which is the schematic library, the DRA and .psm files for the footprint, and .pad file for the pads that's we're going to use in the footprint, and the 3D step file. So we're going to need to download this first. I'm gonna go for this voltage regulator, which I currently need in my design right now. So I'm just gonna click this model, and then yeah, this is the model file, and I click select, I'm gonna choose step, and then download right here. It's taking quite some time. I don't know why. It's okay. So it has been downloaded, and the other file would be that's the footprint. I'm going to need the schematic as well, so I'm going to go for Capture 17. This will download the schematic file. Okay, while downloading, let us, okay, it's already downloaded. So yeah, let's check. The first one was the footprint. I have the step file 3D model, and then the pad file and the footprint um, files. Then this should be the arcade.olb file. Yep. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this into my working directory. I'm going to cut this, and then where is that? Yep. So this is my working directory. I have arranged in a proper order, like I have separate folder footprint, the path separate folder, and step file, and all the downloaded files I'm going to place right here. I'm going to paste it. Um, Let me extract here. Right, cool. Then let me extract this on this folder. All right, so let me delete this too, and I'm gonna extract this as well. And copy this OLB file right here. Okay, so we have all the files in the single document. So now I'm going to delete all of them. I don't need this anymore. Yeah. So first thing first, let me copy this into my schematic library right here. Paste. Okay. Then what else? Okay, and then I'm gonna copy this footprint. Sorry, this is not the file. Step file in the 3D folder, and then these files into the corresponding footprint and the path library. But before we start, let's wrap up the schematic first. So I've just copied here. I'm going to double click, and yep, let me bring the screen right here. Right. So this is the, yeah, that is a symbol of the regulator that right now. Okay, so the input and output and the invisible, right? Um, then what else? Okay, we have the implementation value right here, basically footprint. Cool. This is quite big. I'm going to reduce the size a bit smaller. Uh, or maybe this has to move like, oh, I'm unable to move this. Yeah, I need to move this side. Let's just check this way once. It seems lock horizontally. Is there no way to change this? Okay, let me do one thing. Mm, What I can do is, let me just copy this and paste it into my, that's what I generally do. I'm going to bring to my library and let me save this first and paste it right here. And what was the name of this library? M1C. Get this library. Let's check whether student edit this where can. Okay, let it be. Doesn't matter. Um, so I'm gonna place this ground right here and let this go right here. You over here, and then what else? Turn off the snap. Okay, and 4 is go right here. 2 is go right here. Okay, is it correct as per the data set? 1, 2, and 4. Okay, cool. 2, 4. Yep, so we are done. And we have the footprint. We have to make sure this footprint is present. Okay, let us place this device first in the schematic. Um, I have selected the library and we should have this right here. Wow, it's too huge. This has to be changed. It's too huge. Some issue is there. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna underscore C. Footprint, I'm going to put it later on. Um, okay. Then I'm going to place shift, just a shortcut I forgot. Shift G. Number one, one, okay, one, two, three, and four. Cool. Then to place the rectangle, I need Shift R. Let's snap it. Shift R. Okay, let's place this way. Done. Then let's start the snap. Let's start it on again. And this, let's move one more. Yeah, good. 2, 3, 4. Then what do we need? Generally, I'm going to put um, description. Then what else? Footprint. We can put right in. What was the name of the footprint? We can put here, or else we can, once we place the symbol in the schematic, we can place here as well. But let's place it here itself. Alright. Okay, and we can add part number as well. Part number. Yep, I think that's good enough. So let me make this a little smaller. Alright, cool. Okay, let's go to the LED page. I'm gonna delete this one. Instead, I'm gonna bring up the one that we just created. It's still kind of huge, man. Let me try to pause the videos. Okay. Or, okay, I think this is better. Let's make it smaller. I don't need the pin number, pin name, sorry. Okay, let's bring this in, and this as well, and reference designator somewhere around here, and then okay, let's take this one more step right here. We are good. Okay, cool. Let's go to the LED project. Then I'm going to need to update this. So what I'm going to do is, where is that? This is the one. Update cast. Yes. 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 Alright. One more thing to replace. Let's replace as well just for preserve rest test. Alright, okay. Yes. Cool. Um yeah, and okay, one more thing, we can use a sort pin. This is too long. Sort. Place. Okay. Shift G. One. Put sort. Okay. 1, 2, 3. And done. Okay. Save it again. And then I'm going to go to where LED page. Then update cast. Yes. Yes. Oh, we have the sorter version. Alright, so we have the symbol right here. Now what we're going to do is I'll just randomly connect to some NATs W, and let's say this goes to ground, and this goes to, let's say, right here, and this goes to ground again, and wire. Alright, so we have something right here like the warning, because we don't have this footprint assigned to the location yet, so that's the reason why. And if we delete this and save it, it's going to give an error that okay, there is no footprint for this particular instance U2. And yeah, so now we have a warning, and we're going to fix that. First thing first, we're going to need to go to open this file right here, copy, and we're going to need to add the directory which you're working on, the footprint right here. And this is dot is the current working directory. So this is my working directory, and this is where the footprint is. And I'm adding both the link, both location. And after adding that, the next thing is to copy the files, the footprint file, which I just downloaded right here. SOT, what was that? 223 SMCL. SOT223 SMCL. Let's confirm once again. MCL. Okay, that's it. So I'm gonna copy this two file right here. Copy. Then I'm gonna paste it on the footprint folder right here. Right. Then online DRC. Save it. So you say it's gone. Uh, okay, the next thing what I'm going to do, I'm still yet to copy the pad file. This, and this. Most probably this and this because these two might be used over here. So I'm going to copy this two only. But yeah, let's see before doing that. Let us see what error pop. So we have included the footprint. The warning is gone. The warning is gone. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to update this in my layout. Synchronize. So yeah, right here. Or just close it. I'm gonna reopen again. PCB, the layout. Okay, there's some error. Anyway, yeah, close. Okay, I'm gonna reopen again. Okay, that is the okay, it's still opening. Right. So what we did earlier was okay, we already updated the layout. Let's check whether it's updated or not. Placement edit. Place manually. We don't have any components. That means it was updated successfully. Now we don't have to save them. Okay. Save PCB update layout. It's getting slow. Okay, yeah, now we can see the components right here. So yeah, it shows an error, could not find pad stack R RX36 Y58. Okay, this is what we are expecting. RX36Y. Okay, I'm gonna copy this first only. And where do I copy? I'm gonna copy this. Where do I copy? I'm gonna copy this over pads right here. Paste it. Yep. Okay, cool. I'm gonna try to place again, but it's asking for RX126Y, another pad, which is most probably the pad that we have here. 126, correct. Copy. Go to pad folder. Paste. Cool. Now, if we go back, yeah, now we can see the component right here. Done. Cool. So we have the component. Now what we want is go to the 3D view. Yeah. Okay. We already have it because we linked. It was already linked into the software in the DRF file, most probably. Let's check once. Print. Yeah. So 223 mcl.step. Where is it linking from? Allegro N. Print. Yeah, so this is the footprint file, and then go to 3D. Yeah, so this was linked already, so that's the reason why it got selected. Okay, cool. So still what I'm going to do is I'm going to place this, copy this, place over here, and then go to the 3D step file. Yeah. Okay, cool. Um, Now regarding the pad, we can even check here what are the pads that these are two pads that we just imported. Um, we can check them out. So it's SMD rectangle design layer, just top masking. We have solder mask, top solder, face mask, top, and similarly it goes for the other as well. Save it, close it. Now, if we change anything on the footprint, so as you can see here, I can click here to see the corresponding symbols. So this is what I was working on, and this is the one that we are working on. So what next? Okay, so what I'm going to do is to update. We change the step file even though they are same file. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to, where was it, logic, place, okay, place, and then update symbol, then update symbol patch tag from library, refresh. Now I have to select, what was this, sort, refresh, okay, close. Yep. Then where does it map to? Yes. Yep. So that's it. And then what else? Check. Yeah. Okay, so you can go right here. You can go to the please. Okay, why this model files are not coming up here? Let me check with it. For example, I don't have the model file for this one. So what I can do is I'll go to the footprint, then this was the connector of the footprint. Alright, okay, it's linked, it's linked till step. Close it, save it, save it, yes, just save it, and still place. That symbol. Now I'm gonna update this one as well. This one as well. Refresh. Close it. Now we should be able to see the, yep, now we can see connector as well. Cool. I think that's all the video. I was not expecting this to be very long, but it's already, wow, 37 minutes. Okay, cool. See you. Ciao.